Let's taste Gordon Ramsay's beef Wellington. Gordon has criticized my food many times. Now it's time for me to try his. I'll let Gordon explain.
Hey Nick, it's me, your favourite chef. Now you know, young man, that I've put you under the spotlight across many mystery box challenges, so it's time to reverse the tables. Bring it on, big boy.
Let's go. This is Gordon's newest restaurant. You already know what we're ordering. Now that looks fantastic. We'll slice in and taste. Easy 10 out of 10. Not many people get this opportunity. This also is had nefsel adwan or 1 year old our chef soons and rocks it.
Jo, get more here. So meeste servers nachter. Zeg nou wat we zien nem. Zorg ja, lots of the not. You got naam. Ja, nu hier een fashion weer voor hem tegen ja.
Helps in rook el. Herst die immer met zo aan. Niet een blue fam 6 er gezien er ook. Het niet of je precies met een rook zit stil.